let's do the experiment for the 5th grade. 5th grade experiment, well, we will do the new one. It's called blueberry pH indicator. And before you doing experiment, before you read instruction, please play the video we put on the instruction document. There's a link and a YouTube link. Please read it before we're doing it. So after you watch the video, please read the introductions and yeah, by yourself or by your parent. So now we will have this experiment. The purpose is to understand the blueberry as the pH indicator, and the blueberry can test the solution and tell whether that solution is base and acid. So now let's take out the materials of your bag. Like in your material bag, there will be three 2-ounce cup, and that's one taller one, but this is 1 ounce cup. Okay, and there's 2 bag of white powders, and the label as powder 1, powder 2, and another looks like purple one, and labeled as blueberry. And we have 3 coffee stirrers and 3 pH test strips. And then I would like you to, and we have like 1 procedure sheet and 1 worksheet. And I would like you to find a marker, and I would like you to get 1 bottle of water and get a paper towel, and find another solution at your home. Like you know, it could be like a clear vinegar, could be lemon juice, and some soda like a Sprite is clear, and it could be some liquid hand soap. It's clear liquid hand soap. So just find some, and you know, you don't need to pour into the cup, but you just bring on the other side. We will test your solution at your home. So and the 1 marker here. Okay, so let's do the experiment. So let's put the procedure sheet aside. Okay, then read it. Okay, so we will use your own markers to label the 2-ounce cups. That's 1, and another is 2. Okay, and then in your supply bag we have like 1 4/4 teaspoon measuring spoon. Okay, so we will measure 1/4 teaspoon of powder 1 and pour it into the 2-ounce cup label as 1. Okay, and yeah, and use the paper towel to clean the measuring spoon, and then we will pour the 1/4 teaspoon of powder 2 and put in the 2-ounce cup label as 2. Okay, and then let's use the towel to clean it. Okay. Okay, and then we will use the 1-ounce cup to measure 1 ounce water and pour into the 2-ounce cups. Okay, let me, okay, and use the coffee stir to stir and let it mix very well. Okay. Can I use the green one? Okay, let's mix them. Okay, and then I think like before we going to test things, we need to go to your worksheet to write down your hypothesis. Like you need to make a prediction. When we add, now you see that they're all clear solutions, right? You cannot tell which solution is baking soda and which solution is vitamin C. Actually, like we have like one bag is vitamin C and one bag is baking soda. So you cannot tell the solution. They are all clear. So then we will add the blueberry to test them. So please write your hypothesis there. You need to make a prediction when adding blueberry powder, which solution, baking soda or vitamin C, will change to blue color. And which solution, baking soda or vitamin C, will change to the pink color. So for example, I will say, okay, I will make my prediction. The baking soda will change to blue and the vitamin C will change to red. But make your own predictions. Okay. Now we will pour the baking soda 1 teaspoon in each solution and test. Okay. So do you see that? Okay, let's let's mix together. What color do you see in the solution 1? And what color do you see in the solution 2? Let's mix well together. So you definitely see that. Let's mix well. In the solution 1, the color changed to what? Red, right? And in the solution 2, it changed to blue. Very dark blue, right? So we know that from this, because we know that baking soda is base and the vitamin C is acid. So you see that acid turns to red and the base turns to the blue. And we also can like verify your assertion by the pH tested stripe. So let's put our pH test stripe. Okay. Do you see that? This one is blue and yeah, this one is according to the pH indicator chart, you will see that the vitamin C is acid and the baking soda is base. So you verify right? The blueberry as worked as this pH test stripe. It can test your solution, like which one is acid and which one is base. So now we know the blueberry can test the solutions. Now we get your own solution found at your home, and I will use the 1 ounce 1 ounce of the cup to measure 1 ounce vinegar. So this is the vinegar I found at my home. Okay, so at first I can test and I will pour. Okay, let me clean this to make sure. Yeah, okay, actually I don't need to clean. So I will pour 1 1/4 teaspoon of blueberry into this vinegar and see what happens. And also use the third coffee stir to stir it clear. Mixed well. So you see that it's turned to red, but did you see that actually they are different red? A little bit different, right? They're different. We put the same like amount of the solution and the same amount of blueberry, but did you see that? Also, they are all the acid, but the pH value is different actually. So we can use the third pH indicator to indicate. So you can change it. Do you see that? There's a little bit different actually, but my solution is acid definitely. So that's it. And I would like you to finish the worksheet by yourself. Like when you finish all the experiment, please fill this worksheet like what color are the two solutions before we add the blueberry. I know that it's clear, right? But please do your own answers. So what color are the two solutions after adding the blueberry powder? And which solution is baking soda? Solution 1 or solution 2? And which solution is vitamin C? Part 1, solution 1 or solution 2? Please put your answer here. And please write if your hypothesis is right or not on the question 4. And then like we test your own solutions. Is that a base and acid? So that's it. And please read the introductions when you finish it, and yeah, maybe you will understand more. That's it.